So this is how it looks so far. Obviously some parts still need some glue, so we're gonna work on that. Gonna use this and make sure every part has glue, because we do not need this lifting up. Okay.
And it goes a little something like
you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after.
Hello everybody, my name is Dorisbelsantana and welcome back to my world, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be installing a wig. The kind of hair that this is, I don't know. However, I did got this wig homemade from Clear Care. If you don't know about her, then I don't know what you're doing. But yeah, I got this hair from Clear Care, and she also made the wig. This wig, I had it for almost 2 years now. That's how it looks in the inside. I broke this. I mean, we'll be okay. We will be okay, I think. Yeah, we'll be fine, because I think, I don't know, but I broke this. I had this wig for almost 2 years. I washed it. The kind of hair that this is, I don't know, but I will leave her information down below if you want to get in contact with her, if you want her to make you a wig, because this is the bomb. It's almost 2 years and I'm still wearing this like So I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to put some products in my hair. I'm going to do 2 cornrows since I want, sorry, but I have to do this. I'm gonna do a sidebar. So since I'm gonna do a sidebar, I'm gonna do 2 cornrows and a sidebar. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. So let's just get right into the video. But before we go, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's go. Guys, I'm back. I washed my hair and I just put it in these 2 braids. I'm gonna take some oil. Just gonna put it on my scalp. The oil that I am massaging into my scalp is a combination of black castor oil, tea tree oil, and soybean oil. Take some pins and you're gonna pin it up. So one to this side and then the other one to this side. And yes, my hair is wet. I honestly don't care, so to the other side. That's it. Got to be glue. Take a good amount. Wig cap. Take it. See? Flat. So this is just a small reminder that the front of my wig is actually broken. I broke it. It was my fault. I don't even know how it happened. So right now I'm just looking for a way to just make it look like it's good. Yeah, so after I am done parting and defining my part, I am back to deciding how exactly I'm going to install the wig, knowing that the front is broken. This over here is the Got To Be Gel Spray. This is 20 minutes later after I let it dry for a few, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the outside. Okay, I am waiting for this to dry, but I'm gonna use the blow dryer, so okay. So but if you guys haven't seen what I use this is the Got To Be spray. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of this and just put it here on top. I will let that sit for like 5 minutes, then I'll be back. It's been like about 5 minutes, but you should probably leave it in for longer, but I just don't have the time. So the spray is ready. Oh, it is. Well, somewhat ready. Somewhat ready. Okay, that's fine for me. Now we're gonna use some Guyssss bond and put it here. Now we just wait. So what I'm doing over here is pretty much just combing all the hair back and away from the hairline, so when it's time for me to glue the wig on, I'm just gluing the lace and not the actual hair. I am also using some clippings so it can hold the hair while it's back, and it can keep it away from the hairline. So what I'm going to be doing over here is pretty much just pressing the lace down into the glue so everything could be nice and secure. So this is how it looks so far. Obviously some parts still need some glue, so we're gonna work on that. Gonna use this and make sure every part has glue, because we do not need this lifting up. Okay. Now we're gonna take these out. So now what I'm going to do is just tie it. And I'm going to curl my hair, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I curl my hair a little bit, as you can see. But now I'm gonna take some of this, which is some holding spray. Okay. And now it's time to reveal it. Okay. This is how it's looking. Let me open my curls a little bit. Now, as for this, I feel like I just have to do my edges and it will look good. So, I mean, considering the fact that I'm not a pro at this, I think it came out really good. So I'm gonna use Got To Be. I'm gonna use a regular toothbrush. I'm just gonna do the edges. now I'm gonna finish curling this side. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back with the final result to show you guys how it looks. Hello guys, so there's the final result. I mean, if you close up, it doesn't look that good. Wait, let me turn off the AC because it's making too much noise. Okay, so from far it looks pretty good though. So, and this is my outfit. So this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if this video felt like on a rush, but I am on a rush. But I'm happy that I got to show you guys how I do my wigs. It doesn't look that good, but that's because I was rushing. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.
I said, who's that?
I can't see though.